Let's learn how to draw a bird. First thing to do, divide the figure into various shapes. Next, start drawing shapes at first with light strokes. Use overhand grip for better results. As you can observe how faint I have drawn the shapes. Don't make the sketch too dark from the beginning. As I proceed further, you can observe I am applying little amount of force on the pencil for normal dark lines. Start giving outline or the existing shape of a bird. Don't start with details right now. The ultimate aim must be to draw face at proper proportion with its features placed correctly. It is where everyone stares. Start giving details from this stage progressively. Use contours, cross-hatching to give proper details. After giving details, look for the highlights. Give your sketch a realistic look by giving proper dark strokes. Tag the possible regions for realistic look. Add highlights by adding dark strokes to your drawing. Mention every detail for the drawing. Finish the sketch. Keep practicing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications. As you can observe how realistic the sketch looks like after finishing with every detail. Keep practicing and thanks for watching.